May lisensya na kayo na dapat ingatan. Pag nawala yan, hindi kayo pwede mag-practice. Diba? Now, raise your right hand, say your name, at saka kung saan eskwelahan kayo ng galing. Hindi sa iba, kundi sa eskwelahan. Ha, mga anak, ha? Kaya kayo pumasa dahil sa eskwelahan nyo. Yung basic knowledge, nanggaling lahat sa eskwelahan. Okay. Raise your right hand. I state your name. Your school. Hereby solemnly swear. That I will support. And defend. The Constitution. Of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith. And allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws. Legal orders. And executive orders. Promulgated. By the duly constituted authorities. Of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation. Upon myself voluntarily. Without mental reservation. Or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear. That at all times and places. I will adhere closely. To the ethical and professional rules. Generally accepted by the nursing profession in the Philippines. And that I will well. And faithfully discharge. To the best of my ability. The duties and obligations. Incumbent upon. A legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God. RNs, congratulations!
Congratulations once again, newly minted registered nurses. Give yourselves another round of applause. You may now be seated. May we request our guests at the presidential table